and let's do this dance. Okay, do that one more time.
What I'll do is I'll do it by the feet, and then I'll do a count.
Okay.
Okay, so right, left, double right, left, right, double left. Okay?
Yeah.
So the count is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.
Ew.
So all dances have an 8 count, each part of the dance.
Like Chick-fil-A, huh?
Yes.
Like the nuggets.
He said like Chick-fil-A.
Okay, after we do that one, what's the next one?
All right, so the next part of the dance, I call it a half diamond. So it's up, out, back, out.
Okay, let's do that again so the cameras can see it.
Up on the right, right lead, right, out, back, out.
Yeah.
So the count is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? All right. So all together, let's start from the top. Right, left, double right, double left, up, out, back, out. From here, we're moving forward. Step up, out, left, up, and out.
Hey.
I don't say cross because people have a tendency to do this.
Right.
And then they're falling.
Right. That's why I find people get confused with this.
That's where they get confused.
When it comes to this, now I like to do a little
so
lean
I just
with
tell
mine,
right.
you know?
So I just tell them to step forward, step up, out, step up, and out.
Yeah. Now, this is where it gets confusing. For people who probably have not learned this before, it's the turn. So let's start from the top, and then we'll continue from there.
And so those were our 2 8 counts that we just did. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah. Okay.
And we're going
Step back
into
a little bit just so we can get you in the light.
Then we're going into our next 8 count. Okay. From after we go into our next 8 count, we were here where we did the cross out, out. So our next 8 count, we're going to step forward on our right, step up, quarter turn to your right with a cha-cha-cha. That is what you're doing.
And then the next one on the next leg?
And then the next leg, you're going to step left, step forward left, half with a cha-cha-cha.
Yeah, and then you go forward,
and then you're going to walk forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah! Okay, let's do it from the top.
Okay.
Just so the people at home, I believe y'all can do this. Come on, step back just a little bit because we can get you in the light.
All right, perfect.
Yes.
Okay, great.
All right, here we go.
So we're moving forward. I mean, this part you do in place.
Okay.
You're not moving forward with it. So it's right, 2, then left, right, then diamond. Step forward, step forward, step forward, turn cha-cha, half, cha-cha, walk right, left, left.
Yeah! Now, the version that we're about to hear is the New Orleans bounce version.
Listen, we're from New Orleans.
Come on, baby.
So we have a bounce version to every song. And I had to give y'all the bounce version.
Come on, because it's New Orleans. Now, we're going to do with some music, beautiful people. Now, if you figured it out and you already know it at home, get up and do it with us. If not,
get up and
take
do it
some
with us.
time to really look at our footwork so that when we do it at the end of the show today, you can do it with us. All right, DJ Walter is going to play the beat for us. Let's get it! Where they at? Where they at?
Hey.
I love this bounce version. I love it. This is my first time hearing it.
Ready? Let's start. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk.
Ooh, 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 ooh. And then this part, right? All right, ladies, we see y'all in the back. Come on.
Out, cross, cross. Quarter turn to your right. Half, your back.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Now, back.
Hey, up, out, back, out, cross.
I see y'all at home.
Come on, get up and do it with us. Hey.
Ooh, 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 ooh. Y'all got some power.
Diamond.
wrap right here. Yeah, come on, look, fan clap for you, fan clap for you, fan clap for you, and one more time, fan clap for you. Listen, I saw y'all at home, and look, this is such a fun line dance, and they're gonna stick around because later in the show, we're gonna wrap it all up with them doing it one more time, and I wanna see you all at home doing it, okay? And listen, everybody, Lady D is a professional line dance instructor celebrating 15 years next year, and guess what? If you want to learn more line dances, one, keep watching our show all summer long. Number two, check out the NOLA Line Dance Fest and Health Wellness Expo coming up on June 19th through the 22nd. That is Juneteenth weekend, everybody. It's at the Astor, right?
Crown Plaza.
Love that, right here on Canal Street. And look, there's also an all-white workshop and day party titled Boots and Bling Line Dance. I like that. That's coming up on Saturday, June 21st from 1 until 5 at the same location.
Same location.
Come
if
on,
you want to
baby.
learn boots on the ground or any of your latest line dances, come on out.
Come on. If you want more information, 504-255-5275 is her contact number. Now,